Hey all, welcome back to my Mix Magic. Today again I am here with another set of worksheets. In these worksheets they will be learning how to trace and write the alphabets, and there are different letters, letter practice. We are starting from A to E, and basically we are working on their hand and eye coordination, and then giving them pencil grip and different aspects of their motor development. So here they will be tracing, and then this dot to dot identifying the shape, and then identifying the letters, and then we will be doing different letters here, and we will be giving them practice for learning these letters. I have also included a few activities in between so that they don't just get tired of writing, and they actually enjoy doing the worksheets. What is that, dear? What are you doing?
Curve.
So here we did slanting line, standing line, then sleeping line, and now she is doing the curve. So this is another worksheet. Trace this alphabet. Which alphabet is this?
D.
Okay, D. Yes, trace it this way. Very nice. What is this? This is
D.
D. Very good. Okay, so here different alphabets are given and you have to encircle D. Okay, just encircle D. Yes, very good. Yes, there is one more D. So this is another worksheet of tracing, then matching and doing dot to dot. What is that?
A.
A. Join it with A. Very good. Now the next alphabet is B.
B.
Join it with B. Very good. What is next?
C.
C. Okay, join it with C. You know where is C? Excellent. Similarly, join E with E and D with D. Very good. You are doing very nice. So the next worksheet we have dot to dot. Start from here and join the dots. You know what is this?
Balloon.
Yes, it's a balloon. Very good. Draw properly. It's a
Balloon.
balloon. And what is this letter?
Balloon.
B for?
Balloon.
Yes. Okay, so in this worksheet, what is this? What shape is this? It's an
Apple.
apple. So in this apple, there are many A's are written. Can you circle them?
Yes.
Very good. Yes. Excellent. Very nice. Yeah, there is one more. Yeah, very good. So this is the next worksheet, and they will be matching the letter with another letter, and it's very easy. They just have to see and match the letter. So same way we did circling of B, and now she is doing C. Which letter is this?
C.
C. C is for cat.
Cat.
Cat. Very good. Is there any more C?
C.
Very good. Is this C? No.
No.
Okay, dear. Tell me which number is this?
1.
1. Okay. So in this activity, we will be tearing the paper. You have to tear this red paper and stick in 1. And this is the next activity. In this activity, you have to teach them to crush the paper. This activity is there for the syllabus, crushing of papers. Okay. Okay, dear. Take this paper and crush it. What I am doing here? Crushing the paper. Very nice. So the next activity we are doing, they will be writing the alphabets and the numbers here. We can use sand here. You can even use salt here. I have used rice because I had rice with me and I was not having sand with me. So let them say the alphabet, let them say the number and write. Make 3. Very good. Can you make A? Very good. Yes. Very good. D. This is D, right? Triangle. Q. It's Q. Yes. So tell me which number is this? It's a
2.
2. Okay, so you have to trace 2 here, then here, and then encircle the 2. Okay, can you do it?
Yes.
Okay, start tracing. Very nice. You're very quick. Okay, very nice. Very good. The worksheet here, you have to write the correct B. Okay, this is correct.
Yes.
This one,
No.
circle it.
No.
Circle it. Yes, this is wrong. This one?
No.
Okay, circle it. Circle the wrong A. Circle the wrong D. Which D is wrong?
Yeah.
This is wrong. Very good. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then M. M for McDonald's. Wrong M. You need to circle wrong M. Very good. Wrong one. Wrong. Yes. This is 3. Number 3.
Clean.
Circle number 3 here. So in this worksheet I have the alphabets written here, A, B, C, D, and she will be matching the alphabets. Pick this one. Yes. Which one is this?
B.
B. Which one is this?
A.
A. Very good. Pick this one. Yes. Which one is this? It's C. This one is
D.
D. Very good. So this is the next worksheet, and which shape is this?
Circle.
It's circle, and you have to trace the circle here, then again here, and then you have to draw the circle on your own. Start drawing. Very nice. Okay, so your different shapes are given and you have to circle the circle. Okay, where is circle? Very nice. Excellent. Okay, can you identify the shape? Which shape is this? This one is square.
Square.
This one?
Heart.
This one? Star.
Star.
So they are doing the red color and they will be doing thumb printing this month. So we'll do thumb printing of these objects. Let them identify the object and then do the thumb printing. So this is the final product here. Now the next activity, and it is related to identifying the object which are round or circular in shape and then separating it from other objects like a square or triangle shapes. Next, circle. Yes. Is this circle?
No.
Okay, keep that side. Is this circle?
Yes.
Okay, keep it here. Yes, this is square. Keep it that side. Next, what is this?
Triangle.
Keep it that side. Circle, round. Yes, very nice. Next, is the circle?
Yes.
Keep
Round.
it round. Very good. Next, is the circle?
No.
Which shape is this?
Square.
Is this circle?
Yes.
Take out. Very good. This one?
No. No.
Okay. Next, pick this one. Yes. Which shape is this? Is this circle? No, this is not circle. So keep them that side. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Pick this one. Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay. Take this one. A cashew nut. Which shape is this? Can you tell me which shape?
Girl.
It's like C.
C.
Yes, it's like C. Keep it here and check. Which shape is this? This is C shape. Okay. Very good. Now you have to keep these items back. The circular items should be kept back. Okay, start putting them back. Yes, circle. So all my lovely ladies and kids, these were the worksheets. Hope you all enjoyed watching these videos and you will try them at home, and this will help the kids to learn, memorize, and you won't even realize that they will learn everything in a fun way. Take care. Bye bye.